Part of the writing process that's important is the sharing process. And a lot of writing that gets done, script writing that gets done, one of the things that often happens, even in early stages, is just putting it back out there so people can hear it. The beauty of having a room of professional actors is that these people love to play characters. Okay, Kevin.
So this is, I'll do PIZI's character first. Bonjour. My name is Ross. I'm a capybara. You know that I am. So. I am 10 years old, married, with 2 kids. Lovely kids. Sometimes brats as capybaras can be, but you know, that's a capybara's life. You may laugh, but I wish to be a superhero. I got muscles. I'm strong. I want to be a superhero to help everyone. And there's only one problem with this. Birds. I hate birds. I can't stand birds. I fear birds, all kinds of birds with their beaks and their little tongues and their feathers and their things that they do with their claws. And I don't like birds. But my friend, Tyler, he's a squid. Literally a squid. Yeah, he's a squid. Tentacles and all. He tells me I shouldn't be afraid of birds. And I say, oh, that's easy for you to say. You a squid. You don't get to see the birds the way I do, the poop and the things that they do. I live, you know where I live, huh? Toronto, Canada. That's why I have this wonderful vehicle, this instrument that is my voice. Yes, they call me Ross. I don't know my superhero name yet, though. I'll get back to you on that one.
Any comments there? PZ, is that yours?
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Oh, I love it.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Didn't think it was going to go that way, did you, PZ?
No, but I'm very glad it did.
That's great.